Welcome to our channel. Credit card rewards can significantly reduce travel costs when used strategically. Step 1. Research travel credit cards that offer the best rewards for your spending patterns. Step 2. Sign up for cards with generous welcome bonuses requiring achievable spending. Step 3. Use your travel card for everyday purchases to accumulate points faster. Step 4. Pay off balances monthly to avoid interest charges that negate rewards. Step 5. Understand your card's reward structure to maximize points in bonus categories. Step 6. Book travel through your card's portal when it offers enhanced value. Step 7. Transfer points to airline and hotel partners for potentially better redemption rates. Step 8. Combine points from multiple cards in the same program when possible. Step 9. Take advantage of card benefits like free checked bags and priority boarding. Step 10. Use travel credits for incidental expenses like lounge access or baggage fees. Step 11. Plan redemptions during off-peak times when fewer points are required. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.